Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to quickly show you the super nice rechargeable desk lamp that you're gonna see. It's so easy to use. So this is the actual size. As you can see, it's not super big, but it's not intended to be big. It's intended to be kind of like a spotlight. So it's rechargeable. It has a USB-C port right here and comes with a USB-C cable to recharge it. Once that is charged, it will give you a really nice amount of runtime. And to use it, look at this. One touch, it's on in one color. Call white, just white, and then it's off. One more time, one touch, yellow, white, call white, and just white. It has a really nice amount of light, as you can see, but again, it's a spotlight. It's meant to be for reading, working, productivity. It's not meant to be for like illuminating a whole room or something like that. So for that, I think it's a really good one to have in your desk. I have another one there that I use it every day. So now when I put this in the other corner, like in the other side of the desk, because having two of those, it's really good because it's gonna give you that smooth light, study, reading, productivity light that you need. And it's touch, so that's it. It's off, you recharge it, you use it to take it with you on the go to places, to your nightstand if you're reading or something like that, or just leave it plugged if you want. I like it, I do recommend it, super easy to use, and for sure it works great as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.